Hello. What are you looking for?
My friend's house. He lives in Carrer Corsini number 4.
Corsini, oh yes, go down the road and until the second intersection. Make a round turn and then go down that road to the large intersection and make a left turn. Corsini is your first left.
So I got it. I go down the street and take a right to the second intersection, then keep going and Corsini is on the right.
No, make a left turn on the intersection and Corsini will be on the left.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Oh, sorry, I interrupt you. But I was wondering how I could get to the hospital from here.
It's pretty far. Drive down to the street and then make a left to the shopping center. It's in Catalonia Avenue.
And do you know what is the name of the shopping center?
Yeah, it's a Pastorela.
Thanks. And then, what do I do?
Go down La Rapita Street about 4 miles and then hide a right to Major Street. The hospital will be in San Isidro Street. Go down for about 1 mile and it's on your left side.
I got it now.
Bye and good luck.